And that's how I do it. That's how I remove my headset. That's how I put it where I put it. And then I go do something. And then I either come back and do it, or I'm just clocking out for the day. That's how a gamer such as myself would do it. Other gamers have other methods, but that's how I do it. This video is just a test to see if doing a video without the headset mic would make things any better. This video isn't even like a comedy bit. This is just for testing. There's no comedy here. I wish there was comedy here. There usually is, of some variety, but it just isn't this time. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you were disappointed by that, but you know, just alright.